Peace family. So today we are going to Walgreens and to Dollar Tree to fill my basket. I got this basket here from Target. That's pretty much what I'm saying in the video. Okay. I like having this basket filled. Tissue and paper towel is a must in my house. Peace family. Peace, 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 peace. Okay, so we are in the Walgreens. Okay, honey, I got my book. Okay, because the plan is to spend a certain amount. So let's see what we got over here. Honey, I'm using the doggone the doggone cart. All right, let me see. La la la. If I could remember off the top of my head what it is that I need to get. I know it's not a lot, but first we are going to do the hair dye. Okay. I need to dye my hair. So I have been using henna, okay, for a minute, right? Well, probably like a month. And it has been not working out for the best, okay? Because my hair right here is still orange, okay? I done dyed it a few times and maybe I'm applying it wrong. I don't know, but I just can't. So I'm gonna do something different. Okay, so we are going to go with this. We are going to go with this. Okay, this hair dye. Matter of fact, let me get a card. Okay. So we have our hair dye. I need some cleaning supplies. Let me know what you guys clean your homes with. Now, I did go to the dollar store the other day and got some dollar cleaning supplies. But what I really love cleaning my house with is Method, okay, and Myers, because they are eco-friendly and, you know, sometimes I'm on that wave, okay? All right. Okay. For the ones that's, let me see. Look at this. Okay, so when I come and get my toilet tissue, this is the toilet tissue that I normally get. Okay, if you want a budget, you could get this toilet tissue. I used to get Scott's before, but this one do just as good. So is this the big roll? Okay, is 9 rolls for $6. Okay, so we're gonna get. Okay, so family, look, this tissue is the same as that one, but it's 2 packages for $5. Okay, and so you'll be getting 8 rolls now for $5. Okay, now this one is 9 rolls for $6. Now I could have gotten 4 packs of these, but honey, I'm walking, okay? I'm walking and I can't carry all of that today, so I'm just going to get the big roll. Okay, so the cleaning supplies, like I said, I go with normally the Method or the Myers, right? And they have the Myers, but I think the Myers is cheaper at Target. So I'm gonna go with, let me see, 2 of these. This one is really good. It smells really good. It's grapefruit. It smells very good, and it cleans your tub like no other. Okay, and then we are going to go with this. Now, I never tried this before. I know I have tried the dish detergent, but I never tried like they cleaning stuff. And so this is the all-purpose cleaner, and it has parsley and it's tough on grease and grime. So we're gonna go with this one. Okay. And the rest of the stuff I am going to get from the Dollar Tree, except for soap, because I got to get some soap from here. And I think that's pretty much it. Okay, so at my house, we use probably like a bar of soap every 2 days. So the soap, it goes like really, really quick. Let me see. Ooh. Okay. Honey, I'm adding the stuff up as I'm going along. All right, 29. Let's see. Okay, so we are going to go with the Dr. Bonner's, the peppermint. I love this peppermint. Although my children, they don't really care for it because, especially my youngest daughter, she says it burns her JJ. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna get, because these are $4.99. Okay, I'm gonna get, let's do 1 bar and get Dove. Okay, now Dove, I normally don't really do Dove, but we on a budget. Okay, and so we are going to get the Dove. Oh, and hand soap we need. Where's the guy? Oh wait, and floor, because I need to mop the floor. And I don't even, so for my floors, what I normally use is, I can't even think of the name. Damn, it's in a blue bottle. I can't think of the name, but that's what I normally use for my floors, but they don't have it, so we're not gonna bother with that. But I need this soap in a hand soap. How you doing? I need the soap thing open to get some Dove, and also where's your hand soap?
Should be next.
Thank you. The Dove is on sensitive skin is good. Matter of fact, no, let's do shea butter. I apologize, shea butter. The hand soap is right there. Thank you so much. Okay, family, so the hand soap I'm gonna get is, so this is the hand soap. Okay, I love this one, the raw sugar, and I know they have raw sugar at Target, like the bars of soap is really, really good. It's 2 bars for like $5, I believe, but this is really, really good. So we are going to go with the raw coconut and mango. Okay.
There's two things at the same time.
Oh, okay.
There's so much to do. You saw those tools? And look at this. Out two I'm working on. Shampoo.
But y'all not hiring, right?
Well, we got hold on. You gotta understand something.
All right.
We got the morning shift, the midday shift, and then we got the night. So there's people coming in, like right now there's me, Nadia, Mohammed.
Okay.
Excuse me. And they're working on the floor.
All right.
I'm working here, he already finished out the baby out.
Oh. Peace family. Okay, so listen. I was so in a rush to record this video. I done left my doggone car at home. So now I gotta go back and get it. Luckily, I don't live too far from here. So I'll catch you guys once I am at the dollar store. So now we are on our way to Dollar Tree. Yeah, I think there's Dollar Tree. Honey, I always get confused whether it's Dollar Tree or Dollar Tree. We going to the dollar store. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. Okay, so we are in Dollar Tree. Okay, and I'm here for 3 items. 3 items. Okay, let's see. Ooh, they got Swabatail. I never seen this Swabatail before. Have you guys ever tried this Swabatail? I'm not here for that though. So I'm here for paper towels and bowls. Okay. So these are the paper towels I normally get right here. And I said I was gonna get 5, but honey, I can't. I'm gonna get 3. That's a lot of walking and carrying. Okay. Okay. Sometimes, like when I put this stuff in a bag, like you know when you bring your own bag, I be scared because I be like, I don't want these people to think that, you know, I'm stealing. Okay. These 3. Okay, and our bowls. Okay, so I'm looking for the larger containers. I don't know what happens to my bowls, okay? It's either the lid goes missing or the whole damn bowl go missing. So I could do these. I only need about 2 of these. So 2 of these. And these are pretty decent sizes. Okay, 2 of these. Okay. 2 and 2 lids. Okay, and next I need some gloves and some Ajax. So let's go there. See, I'm getting sidetracked trying to look at the forks and spoons. We ain't come here for that. Okay, we need gloves and Ajax. Okay. So the gloves is right here. Excuse me. Okay. All right, so we are going to go with these gloves. Okay, because honey, I'm dyeing my hair again. Okay, so I am looking for the Ajax. Honey, I don't even see no darn Ajax. Where the heck is the Ajax? So I found the Ajax right here. Okay. Ooh, honey, these bags. Okay, so we gonna do one thing of this Ajax. This. Okay, I'm proud of myself. Came in here for 3 things and leaving out with, well, 3. Yeah, came in here for 3 things. Not literally like 1, 2, 3, but the paper towel, the gloves. Well, actually, I'm leaving out with 4, but that's okay. Honey, I did better because the old me, ooh, honey, would have been in here for a minute. Okay, but this is the new improved, the new. Honey, I'm hot. So there you have it. Now it is complete. Peace, family. Okay, so now that I am back home, I done filled the paper towels in the tissue basket, and I wanted to just say this, okay? I don't care where you are, what's going on in your life. Not like that, but in a sense where as though understand everything is working out for you, okay? You may want to be further along in life, right? And that is normal, but sometimes we have to enjoy where we are, okay? Because there's nothing you can do about it, okay? So enjoy where you are. Rock out to the thing that you was created to do. If you do not know, you can always ask source, right? For me, I just made a statement, and then that's how I realized, what I came here to do. But I never thought that I would be able to go inside stores and record, okay? So the person that's like, you watch my videos, you stayed this long, understand that your next season and the thing that you have came here to do, you may have to let go of the culture expectations. You may also have to let go of the ego, right? And understand you got everything within you, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of the video, and I catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. And with that being said, peace.